Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rashi and today we're going to be creating this simple bold liner look, but I'm also going to tell you how to achieve this flawless base. So before we go ahead, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and find me on Instagram Rashi Sopti Makeup. And now without wasting any time, let's start this video. I'm going to start prepping my face with a primer. So for that I'm using the Nykaa Prep Me Up. Next, I'm gonna move on to concealing, correcting, and oops, I forgot to wear my lenses. Give me a second, guys. There you go. So I'm using an orange corrector and I'm gonna apply it under my eyes, on the pigmented areas that is around my mouth. And once I've properly applied it, I'm just using my hands to blend it well. Moving on to concealing, I'm going to use the Camouflage Cream Palette from Kryolan, and I'm using DFD. And this is what I'm going to apply all over the corrector. Wherever I have applied the corrector, I'm going to apply it all over that. For foundation today, I'm using this magic potion called Skin Enhancer by Kevyn Aucoin, and it's a little thick in consistency, so you don't need a lot. But let me give you a warning, guys. When I start applying it and once it's done, it might look a little too white to you, a little of a horror, but I promise to you, as time passes by, you will see how this makeup settles down. I'm now going to move to cream contouring, and for that I'm using the Makeup Forever Y505 shade, and this is my go-to contouring stick, like forever I've been using this. So just when I've done all the mapping, I'm now going to start blending. For a change, I tried using a brush to blend, but I think what a beauty blender does, what a sponge does, a brush cannot. So I've taken my time to blend all this, to blend my contouring with my base, guys. This might be in fast forward, but for good contouring, give it time. I started baking and then realized that I did not mention the product. So I'm using the Makeup Revolution banana powder. And if you see, I have done some good baking under my eyes. For that super strong contouring of your cheekbones and your nose, it has to be this precise. If you see how I've baked under my cheekbone, I'm going to keep it for a while, and I'm just making sure that my nose looks super sharp. Moving on to my eyes, I'm using the Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to be playing with these brown shades today. Starting with a light brown, I'm just applying it on the crease and just deepening it, and this is how I'm going to build it from light to dark. Now moving your brush outwards like this ensures that your eyes kind of look longer and bigger. So very slowly I've been applying that brown shade and made it that dark. Now I'm taking this very light shade, which is almost close to white, ivory, and without actually applying a concealer, I'm going to do like a cut crease. It's like a very basic cut crease. If you really want this bite to stand out, you can actually do a cut crease with a concealer and then apply the shade. But my focus is my liner, so I am not really, doing like a proper cut crease here. Thank you, my sister, for that tea break. Just ensuring here that both my eyes are balanced and equal. And now I've started my eyeliner, the main part of this look. I start little by little, just read your eyes, guys, and how bold you want to make it. It's absolutely in your hand. If you just want to leave it that thin, you can. But if you see, I took it like up the notch. I almost covered half of my lid with the liner. Getting rid of that extra powder that I had on my face. I think we've done enough baking. I've taken the same brown shade that I had applied on my crease, and now I'm just applying it under my eyes. I'm not going to do any kajal because I just want the liner to do its job. But this brown under the lower lashes is going to give my eyes some depth. Before I apply my false lashes, I'm applying some mascara as well. Though with this liner you might not need lashes, but to me, I think I need them. Straight away moving on to the brows, I'm using the Ka-Brow from Benefit India. And that's literally a painting happening there. You will see the difference once my brows are done. I'm now setting my contour. For that I'm using the medium sculpt powder from Kevyn Aucoin. This is a cool tone powder and it is specially for contouring only. Moving on to the blush, I'm using my old friend from Faces Canada, and I'm not going to do too much blush because I want like the contouring to stand out. Not going too pinky today. For highlighter, I'm using this super affordable but super magical highlighter. This is Precious Petals from Wet n Wild. And you see how gorgeous this is. This is like the perfect subtle highlighter that you want, that doesn't give you that overshine and that shocking shine, you know, that you can see from a difference. This is really going to make you look sober. Moving on to the lips, I've taken a brown lip liner, guys, and I'm trying to do a lip contour here. So I'm going to give my lips like a very thick outline, and then I'm going to fill it up with a nude lipstick. So you can use any nude lipstick that you have. I'm going to take a nude lip pencil first, fill it up, and then I'm going to top it up with the Huda Beauty Bombshell. So that's my pencil from Color Bar. It's still a little dark, so to make this lipstick lighter, I'm going to use the Bombshell. And I think there I found my perfect shade. Just fixing this makeup with the makeup spray and your look is ready and done. I just ironed my hair a bit, got that sleek look, got my earrings on, and guys, that's my final look. I hope you like it. I hope you found it super easy. Please do let me know your feedback, your comments in the comment section below. Find me on Instagram again, Rashi Sopti Makeup. Come back very, very soon. I hope you've subscribed to my channel. See you soon.